Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Are you ready to learn? Yes, I'm sure you all are ready to learn. So, let's start our class with a small activity. Are you interested in drawing pictures? I know you all are interested in drawing pictures. What all things you need to draw pictures? Yes, you need pencil, color pencils, paints, etc. Now take out your notebook and draw any picture you like. Okay. Now we will start our story. So, in the previous class we started a story. What is the name of the chapter? Yes, the name of the chapter is The Mysterious Picture. And who is the author? Yes, very good. The author is Charles de Coster. So, what happened in the story? Yes, I will tell you. Till Eulenspiegel was an artist from Flanders and he reached the palace of the Archduke of Battenberg on his donkey. But he was blocked by the captain of the guards at the main entrance of the palace. The captain called Till and his donkey skeletons. Till replied that he looked like skeleton because he was hungry. Now let's continue our story. Listen carefully. The captain was playing a game of chess with another officer. He looked curiously at Till. Where do you come from? He asked. From Flanders, replied Till. What do you want? I should like to show His Highness the Archduke one of my paintings. I am a painter. Well, if you are a painter and if you come from Flanders, you may come in, said the captain, somewhat impressed. So, the captain was playing chess with another officer and he asked Till, where do you come from? Till replied, I am a painter and I am coming from Flanders and I would like to show one of my paintings to His Highness the Archduke. On hearing this, the captain became impressed and allowed Till to come inside. Here the word His Highness is used to address the king by showing respect. The captain knew that Flemish painters and their pictures were in great demand all over Europe. Till was presented to the Archduke. He saluted the Archduke 3 times and stood before him with his head bowed. May your Highness pardon me for my rashness in thinking that one of my paintings will please your Highness. I have brought a picture of Our Lady the Virgin in her royal robes. I have painted it specially so that I might lay it at your noble feet. Till paused a few moments for his words to sink in. Then he continued, You must forgive me, your Highness, if I have dared to hope that this picture will please you. Perhaps your Highness might wish to offer me the chair of your court painter who died recently. I can see the empty velvet chair waiting to be filled. So the captain of guards, already knew that Flemish painters and their pictures were very famous and they were in great demand all over Europe. Till was presented to the Archduke. He wished the king 3 times. Till showed a picture of Lady the Virgin in her royal robes. What do you mean by robes? Robes means a long dress. So Till showed the Archduke the picture of Lady the Virgin in her royal robes. Till wanted to be the court painter. He wanted to fill the empty velvet chair of the painter who died recently. The Virgin's picture was a splendid painting and the Archduke made up his mind at once. He embraced and kissed him on both cheeks. He said, I shall be delighted to make you my court painter. He directed him to the chair and made him sit on it. Well, my dear fellow, he said, You do have a tongue in your head and you certainly seem to know how to use it. You are a very talkative fellow, aren't you? So the Virgin's picture was a splendid painting. What do you mean by splendid? Splendid means very good or excellent. So the Virgin's picture was a splendid painting and the Archduke was very happy to see the picture of the Virgin. On seeing this, the Archduke embraced and kissed Till on both cheeks. What is the meaning of embraced? Embraced means to hold someone tightly to express love. So on seeing the picture of the Virgin which is painted by Till, the Archduke became very happy and he embraced and kissed Till. He said, I shall be delighted to make you my court painter. So the Archduke said he is very much delighted. Delighted means happiness. So he was very happy to make Till his court painter and he made Till to sit in the chair of the artist. The Archduke also added that you do have a tongue in your head and you certainly seem to know how to use it. So he said that Till has a tongue in his head. That means he is very much capable of using his tongue and his words. Now, I hope you all got an idea of this much. Now you can have a look at these words and their meanings. After this, you have to answer these questions and write in your notebook. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.